For the reaction NH4NO2 to give N2 plus 2H2O, calculate the volume of nitrogen that will be produced at STP from 3.20 gram of the dioxonitrate 3 salt. Relative atomic masses have nitrogen to be 14, oxygen 16, and hydrogen 1. Solution. Before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that and as well click on the notification bell so as to be notified as soon as new videos are being released here. There is also a link to our Telegram channel in the description box. You can join our channel via the link. In the question above, we have to calculate the volume that will be produced at STP from 3.20 grams of the dioxonitrate 3 salt, and we've been given a chemical equation that shows the reaction. So the first thing we'll do is to rewrite the equation, then from there we'll move on to finding the unknown. So here we have this is a balanced chemical equation. So the first thing we'll be doing here is to determine the reacting mass of the salt. Though we are given the mass that was used, but based on the chemical equation we want to determine the reacting mass of the salt according to the equation. And using the formula of mass equals to number of moles times molar mass, we'll have to calculate the molar mass of the salt first. The molar mass we're summing the atomic masses of each of the elements present. For nitrogen 14 plus we have 4 atoms of hydrogen present, 4 times 1 plus nitrogen again 14, and for oxygen 2 atoms, 2 times the atomic mass which is 16. So this equals 14 plus 4 plus 14 plus 32, which gives a total of 64 grams per mole. For the reacting mass, the number of moles according to the equation, that will be the coefficient of the compound in the equation. Here it is 1, for nitrogen is 1, while for water it is 2. We are dealing with the salt, so we have just 1. So I'll say 1 mole multiplied by 64 grams per mole, which is equivalent to 64 grams. That means based on this equation, 64 grams of salt is supposed to yield 1 mole of nitrogen and 2 moles of water. In the question above, we are asked to determine the volume of nitrogen. That means we are working with the salt and the nitrogen that will be produced at STP. And at STP, 1 mole of gas is equivalent to 22.4 dm³. So I can say that 64 grams of the salt, dioxonitrate 3 salt, we produce 1 mole of nitrogen, which is also equivalent to 22.4 dm³ of nitrogen. If 64 grams produce 22.4 dm³ of nitrogen, then 3.20 grams, according to the question, of the salt, dioxonitrate 3 salt, we produce x dm³, that is the volume now, which is unknown, of nitrogen. So to get x here, we'll be cross multiplying indirectly, then s will be equal to 3.20 grams multiplied by 22.4 dm cube divided by 64 grams. For the numerator, we have 71.68 divided by 64 unit dm cube. Dividing this, we have 1.12 dm cube. And this will be serving as the final answer. So with the calculation above, we've just determined the volume of nitrogen that will be produced at STP from 3.20 gram of dioxonitrate 3 salt, and the volume is 1.12 dm cube. That will be all. Do not forget to subscribe and as well click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. There's also a link to our Telegram channel in the description box. You can join our channel via the link, and do well to leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.